let's talk about being able to find the x and the y-intercept, and then we're going to draw what I call a fake graph to show what the graph would look like. So you may have to be able to find the x and y-intercept when you guys are taking the test. Let's talk about it using an equation so you'll understand. So let's say we're given the equation 3x plus 2y equals 6. That's the equation we're given. 3x plus 2y equals 6. And we are trying to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept of this equation. Let's start off with x-intercept first. So if we want to find the x-intercept, the rule is you have to let the y in the equation equal 0. So if I want to find an x-intercept, I have to let the y in the equation equal 0. So in that case, I would have 3x plus 2 times 0 equals 6. Multiply it out. I know if I multiply 2 by 0, it's going to give me 0. So it's basically going to get rid of this value. All I'm left with is 3x equals 6. We know to get x by itself, we would do the opposite, which is to divide both sides by 3. Or most of you would know that the only way that I'm going to get 6 is to multiply it by 2, which is what our answer is. X would equal 2. What that means is that on the x-axis, I would have a point at 2. As an ordered pair, this would be written as 2, 0 because my x value is 2 and my y value is 0. So if I can find the x-intercept, remember we were trying to find both of them, I can find the y-intercept. And if in order to find x-intercept, I had to let y equal 0, well, guess what? In order to find y-intercept, I'm going to have to let x equal 0. So I'm taking the same exact equation, but this time I'm going to put the 0 in for the x. So then I'm going to say 3 times 0 plus 2y equals 6. Well, again, if I multiply 3 by 0, that's just getting rid of this, and all I have left is 2y equals 6. In order to get y by itself, of course, you know what to do, divide by 2, or most of you can mental math this and get it. So 2's cancel, and y has to equal 3. So again, this is where the line is going to cross on the y-axis. To write it as an ordered pair, I would write 0 because we said x is 0, and then 3 because we found out that y is 3. Now I'm just going to fake graph it for you. What I mean by fake graph is that it's not accurate at all, not drawn to any scale. Now on a graph, we know that the main line, that this is our y-axis, and that this is our x-axis. So according to our x-intercept, this is going to be on 2. So where we would go over to 2, that's 1, that's 2. We would literally put the dot on the axis. Again, that was 1 and that was 2, and our dot goes on the axis for the x-intercept. For the y-intercept, we said it was at 3, so we're going to do the exact same thing and go up to 3. So that would be 1, then 2, and we would be at 3. And again, we're going to put the dot directly on the axis. And then, of course, connect the dots to make your line. And you guys know straight lines for me are just hard to do. And that is finding the x and y intercept and using it, if we have to even graph it out. All right, not hard. You can do it.